I was afraid of you because you are a demanding man, and so I kept it stored away in a handkerchief. I was afraid of you. And my dear brothers and sisters, I am wondering how many of us were not able to do what we ought to do because we were afraid. Because of fear, because we were paralyzed by fear, we failed to do the good things that we ought to do. How many of us, maybe you and I, sometimes have been like this servant? He was afraid, and because of his fear, he did not do what was supposed to be, what was expected of him. You know, in the first reading, which was rather long, from the second book of Maccabees, the mother was encouraging her sons, do not be afraid. Do not be afraid of this executioner, but be worthy of your brothers and accept death. That is why one of the sons said, what are you waiting for? Give the command. So mga minamahal kong kapatid, ito'y isang paalaala sa atin. Huwag tayong matakot na gawin ang dapat nating gawin. Kasi may mga tao natakot ng magmahal. Ayaw ng magmahal. Ayaw ng umibig. Sapagkat minsang nasaktan. Na trauma. Pipiliin na lang maging matandang dalaga. Pipiliin na lang maging matandang binata sapagkat natakot ng magmahal. Malay mo, baka yung susunod na pag-ibig ay mas mainam kaysa dati. Yung iba, natakot na magbigay kasi iisipin baka abusuhin ang kanilang kabutihan. Yung iba, natakot na magbigay ng payo sa isang kaibigan kasi iisipin baka sabihin ng kaibigan ko, ikaw na ang mahusay. Yung iba, natakot na makipaglakbay sa isang kaibigan. They did not want to be involved. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, I invite you to look into your life and see if there are occasions in your life that you were afraid to do the right thing. And be sorry for them. Huwag nating palampasin yung mga pagkakataon na ibinibigay sa atin ng Diyos. Huwag nating sayangin yung mga biyaya na ipinahihiram ng Diyos sa atin. Gawin natin ang dapat. Ang Diyos ang bahala. Let us not be like this servant in the gospel. He was afraid, and therefore he did not do the right thing. Amen.